Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix D3D X9_25.dll not found or missing error. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing what I suggest you to do here is to install the latest version of Microsoft DirectX. So you just need to go to open a browser, you just need to write DirectX and user runtime, and probably it will be the first link here by Microsoft DirectX and user runtime. Click on it and then press download setup. Then you will find setup on your desktop or downloads, whatever you save it. And then you just need to press I accept the agreement, hit next, deselect this, and install the latest DirectX to your computer. And you need to then look if the problem persists or not, right? And if the problem persists, another thing that you need to do here, you need to reinstall the program that's showing this error. So for example, if I go to installed apps and then here apps, installed apps, and let's say Apex Legends is giving me this problem, I just need to uninstall and install it again. If it's a program, but if it's a game, then go to the game client, then you just need to right click on it, go to properties, go to installed files and verify integrity of the game files. So maybe your game files is corrupted and need to be fixed. And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, another thing that I suggest you to do here is to update your Windows operating system and your GPU drivers. And to do so, you just need to first go on search again, go to settings, then go to Windows Update and press here check for updates. And if there is an update for you on your operating system, you need to download and install them and restart your computer. Same thing with your GPU drivers. I'm using NVIDIA, so there is GeForce Experience app to easily install drivers. What I need to do here is simply go to drivers, check for updates, and if there is a drivers that I need to install, I can easily do that. If using AMD, I believe there is AMD Radeon to that, and always you can simply go to device manager and then here expand display adapters, you will find your GPU, then right click on it and update driver. Right, so yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.